Of course, you can use this wax on clients with PCOS. This is Purple Seduction by Sexy Smooth Wax. So this is the normal purple, and then they have the Hypnotic Purple Seduction. So I feel like this one is completely gel-based, and then the Hypnotic Purple Seduction is more like a little hybrid. You get a little bit of gel and film. So I personally would probably use this one on the face just because I feel like gel's always a lot thicker and creamier, and with those PCOS hairs, like you want to get them. So you see the hairs here? Like you can see it when I turn the strip sideways. It's hard for me to do content with darker wax colors because I know you guys want to see the wax strips and you want to see those hairs. So that's why I don't really always use it in my videos. But this I would do for you to answer your question. And then guys, you want to make sure you do your cleanups. I like doing sideways cleanups on PCOS. You can either pull the strip off stagger or you can pull it off more relaxed, going with the curve, just so you get those little stubborn hairs that are left, any vellus hair, peach fuzz, etc. And then of course follow up with aftercare. Don't forget you can save 50% off with Sexy Smooth Wax, and then you also get an extra 20% off using code Wax and Queen. So go and get you some. Thanks for watching.